Hello and welcome to my channel. Me and my egghead are here today to do a makeup tutorial. I never have my hair like scraped back like this, it's like weird, but today I'm doing something kind of completely different on my channel. I have done kind of mad like artistic looks like this around Halloween, but I know Halloween is long gone. But this look I've been sitting on for, well, ever since I've started my YouTube channel. I've wanted to do a makeup look like this. I haven't seen anyone do it before, but that doesn't mean someone hasn't done it before. So as you already know from the title, I am going to create a Hattie Stewart inspired makeup look. If you don't know who Hattie Stewart is, I'll put some of her work up here and her Instagram will be linked in the description down below. She is an incredible illustrator. Oh, I just love her work. I first come across her in sixth form when I was doing graphic design. She's just an artist that is stuck in my mind till this day. I actually went through some of my college work a few years ago and got rid of a lot of stuff because I had folders and folders and sketchbooks full of stuff and I was like, I have to get rid of it. But I obviously kept onto all my Hattie Stewart stuff because, as I said, I love her. My first ever research page on her, and it was all like my favourite things that she has done. And then I actually created some looks myself. But a lot of what Hattie Stewart does is like magazine covers. She kind of reworks them and illustrates over the models, and I did some myself. So here are some here. One on Cara Delevingne. So all my coursework. It's kind of weird like showing it on here. Scarlett Johansson. I did loads. I did loads and loads and loads. Unknowingly, she's probably a major influence in what I do now and the direction I went in, because when I found her and was doing graphic design, I then did my whole coursework on portraits and doing illustrations over them and kind of editing them and things like that. So I was basically doing makeup on a computer, if that makes sense. And then that led me in to actually doing it with makeup, and it's led me to where I am now, which is mad to think about. I actually haven't thought about it until sitting down now. So I don't want to drag this on any longer, but I just wanted to give my like massive appreciation to Hattie Stewart, and I just kind of want to create my own Hattie Stewart cover on my face with makeup. So if you would like to see my Hattie Stewart inspired makeup look, then please keep watching. I'm gonna get a eyeliner pencil. This one is by the Body Shop, but any black eyeliner pencil will do. So I know I'm gonna want to do a piece down my neck and very concentrated around the eyes. I got this inspiration from her Wonderland cover of Nicki Minaj. It's kind of like a dripping down her neck. I'm going to be going over this with face paint, so it doesn't have to be too crazy. Everything she does is very much block colour and kind of pop arty. I'm now looking at a Beyonce cover that she did. I'm going to do something around my eyebrow here. What I'm actually going to do is change to a white eyeliner pencil. If I wanted to change anything, it's easier to do it with this white pencil. I'm going to start by drawing some upside down triangles, fanning around the top of my eyebrow here. But I've done a line here, so then all the triangles will kind of be in the right shape. And now I'm going to draw the triangles. I kind of wish I made them thinner, but we're just going to go with it for now. I'm just going to go with face paint. I was scared and going to map everything out, but I'm just going to go in with face paint because I've just got to get on with it. I'm scared. So let's start with the triangles. My nail art brush that I used for Halloween a lot. This is by Claire's, but you can get these kind of brushes online as well, like anywhere. And now I'm going to start doing a graphic liner. I'm going to be using a black face paint for this next step, but you can use an eyeliner. So I've got this black face paint and I'm actually going to do a huge graphic liner. I'm going to create a wing here because it's going to go all the way out and wing out. But what I'm going to do is make it really high because I'm going to do a double liner. You'll see what I mean in a minute. I'm basically going to cover my whole lid, but I've drawn the main shape and now I'm going to fill that in. If you see here, I brought it out quite far here, and that's because I'm going to make this into drips that look like they're going to like go around here and around my nose a little bit. In between like this liner and my brow, I haven't left much room. Wasn't planning on that, but I'm going to be drawing some like lines. I'm going to do a circle here. Right, so now I'm going to go back to the white because I'm doing a double eyeliner. I think I already said that. But I'm going to be doing a white eyeliner underneath, basically. So now I'm also going to basically do some highlights with that white face paint. I'm also going to draw some on my lid as well. Cool, I like that. Right, going back to the black, I'm now going to draw some, basically, eyelashes. I say eyelashes, they're not really eyelashes, are they? So the other one I'm going to be doing an eyeliner, but it's not going to be over my whole lid. It's just going to be like a normal eyeliner, I'm thinking, at this very moment in time. This side, I'm kind of taking inspiration from an ID cover she did. Now I'm going to be drawing some lines above this just to make it more kind of graphic liner-esque. So I'm now going to draw some like spiky things under here, I think. So I'm going to basically try and do like lightning bolts up my head. Hope that makes sense. Probably doesn't at all. So I'm going to try and just have a go. Worst comes to worst, I'll just have to wipe it off. So now I've done that, I am going to create some white lightning bolts as well. So I've been going back from like black and white and just creating lightning bolts going across my forehead, and I really like it. I'm glad I did it. I was really nervous, I'm not gonna lie. So what I'm going to do is just create some shapes in between here. Some teardrops. We'll do teardrops, but they're going this way with the triangles. So I'm now going to paint my neck black from my jawline down to these kind of drips that we have already drawn. Now I've done that, I'm actually going to go in with the white face paint and kind of draw some little stars here. I'm going to do the lips, and I'm going to draw the drips down my lips, down like my chin, to look like it's kind of joining in with this. For lips, I'm going to be using the Rimmel Lipstick in 16. It's this really like Barbie pink colour. Now I've massively overdrawn my lips because this whole thing is really dramatic and I don't want my lips to look tiny in the middle. I've got the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Milkshake, and it is the lightest colour I think I've got. I'm just going to put that in the middle like that, and then I'm going to tap it in. Now I'm going to go over with that black face paint and just go over this little bit. I'm just going to draw some little lines around my lips and around my nose here, because that's what she seems to do a lot in a lot of her covers. So my camera stopped filming, which is marvellous. What I've done is on here, I've done 2 white lines by my eye. They're probably going to smudge because I didn't wait for it to dry. But we're going to deal with that. And then on the drips coming down here, I put a white dot in the bottom of each drip. So it kind of looks like that is going into my neck a bit more. So it kind of brings it together a bit. I'm now going to stick on some eyelashes. And what I've actually done, I've got some eyelashes and painted them white. So I'm just going to see how they look. So these are the lashes, and I actually really like them with this look. This is the final look of my Hattie Stewart inspired makeup look. I really hope you like it. This is something really different for my channel, but I do want to start bringing some of these crazy looks onto my channel all year round and not just at Halloween. Let me know if you like this different style type of video by pressing the thumbs up button down below and leaving me a comment. If you do not want to miss any of my future makeup tutorials, lookbooks and makeup testing videos, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!